Dear friends, welcome to my channel, Mathematics and Statistics Clinic, a channel dedicated for the service related to teaching learning activities in mathematics and statistics. This is Indra V. Chatri here, a career educator. People love to address me as Dr. K. We are in the process of learning addition of numbers with the prior knowledge of place value of a number and one digit addition. Today we shall learn addition of two digit numbers. Let's begin. Notice carefully that we are introducing an important concept, carry, here in this addition process, which we will be using frequently in future. Consider this simple example of two-digit addition with two numbers 59 and 66. We shall use our previous knowledge of place value of a number and one digit addition to find the sum of these two numbers. First, notice that in these two numbers, 9 and 3 are in units place and 5 and 6 are in tens place. We shall add these numbers at each place exactly as one digit addition, like here. The sum of the numbers 9 and 3 at units place is 12, a two-digit number. If we observe carefully in the answer here, there is only one room to fill in this units place, in which we assign this number 2 at the units place in the result. Then what about this number 1 in the tens place? This number is a carry, our main concern here. Observe carefully how it moves. You have seen that this number moves to tens place as carry. Let's add numbers at the tens place. 1 plus 5 plus 6 is 12, a two-digit number. But there is only one place to fill in the answer at the tens place, in which we assign this number 2. This number 1 at the tens place moves to hundreds place as carry. Now let's observe the final result. At the units place, 9 plus 3 is 12, 2 here, 1 goes to carry at the tens place. 1 plus 5 plus 6 is 12, 2 here, and 1 goes to carry at the hundreds place. Since there is no numbers to add in hundreds place, this goes to answer. Therefore, the sum of the numbers 59 and 63 is 142. Let's repeat the same process with three numbers. Here on the screen, we have three numbers 66, 85, and 79 for addition. Here we notice that the numbers 6, 5, and 9 are in units place. Numbers 6, 8, and 7 are in tens place. We add the numbers at each place as one digit addition. The sum is a two-digit number. The number at units place goes to answer. The number at tens place goes to higher places as carry. Here we are adding the numbers at units place. The sum of 6, 5 and 9 is 20, a two-digit number. 0 at units place goes to answer, and 2 at tens place goes to tens place as carry. Next, we add the numbers at tens place. 6, 8, 7. And one more number 2 here is from units place as carry. So the sum of 6, 8, 7 and 2 is 23, a two-digit number. 3 at units place goes to answer, and 2 at tens place goes to hundreds place as carry. This is the final result. 6 plus 5 plus 9 is 20, 0 here, carry 2 here. 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7 is 23, 3 here. 2 is carry goes to hundreds place. Since there is no numbers to add at hundreds place, so this 2 goes to answer. Therefore, the sum of 66, 85 and 79 is 230. Similarly, we can add 4 numbers. Let's begin. Here on the screen, we have 4 numbers 19, 41, 24 and 70 for addition. Here we notice that the numbers 9140 are in units place and the numbers 1427 are in tens place. We add the numbers at each place exactly like one digit addition. Here we add the number 9140 at units place. The sum of these numbers is 14, a two-digit number. 4 is at units place, goes to answer, and 1 is at tens place, goes to tens place as carry. Next, we shall add the numbers 1427. One more number 1 here from the units place as carry. The sum of these numbers is 15, a two-digit number. 5 at the units place goes to answer, and 1 at tens place goes to hundreds place as carry. This is the final result here. The sum of 9140 is 14, 4 here, carry 1 here. The sum of 11427 is 15, 5 here, carry 1 here. Since there is no number to add in hundreds place, this one goes to answer. Therefore, the sum of the numbers 19, 41, 24 and 70 is 154. For more practice, I'll suggest you visit my website www.teachumaths.com/addition. This is my website page. Click Arithmetic, Addition, Simple Addition. In this page, switch the selection method to practice 1 digit to 2 digit. Keep other default selection as it is and click Next Problem button to refresh the page. On the display screen, we have an addition problem of numbers 67 and 11. Work on it. Enter your answer 78 in this text box. Click Answer button to check your answer, correct answer. For addition problem of 3 numbers, click Question. Select 3 from this drop-down menu. An addition problem of numbers 28, 54, and 34 appears on the display screen. Work on it and enter your answer in this text box. Check the answer. If you enter wrong answer, it flags the wrong answer and prints the correct one. Here your answer 106 is wrong. The correct answer is 116. For addition problem of 4 numbers, click Question and select 4 from this drop-down menu. an addition problem of numbers 93, 63, 69, and 46 appears on the display screen. Work on it and enter your answer here in this text box. 271. Check your answer. Correct answer. Continue practicing adding these numbers until you are confident in adding two-digit numbers. The ultimate goal of this creation is to make this learning opportunity accessible to everyone. Please share widely.